I want some popcorn right now. It's time to eat my popcorn. What, 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 just what? What just, how did this come out of the microwave when I put popcorn in it? Alright, I'm just gonna, I got an idea. Okay, here we go. We just, alright, let's see what comes up. I'm done. What? What? Is this a magic microwave? Okay, bananas. So, okay. Let's do this. Okay. What the actual, like, you know what? I'm just gonna study this, be right back. I'm just gonna, you know. Hey guys, hope you like that skit. I didn't want to make a commentary thing because my throat really hurts. I have like strep throat or something like that. So I just wanted to make a quick little skit, I guess, not that much talking. So I just wanted to make a really quick skit. That's what I had in mind. So hope you guys liked it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and peace.